Dear bidders, I'd like to invite you to a competition. The Korakashki Association, in cooperation with Oktabeads, is announcing another competition. This competition will be on the theme of treasures of the ocean. This means you can imagine not only the colors of the ocean, but also its fruits or animals, fish and shells. Your imagination can really run wild. To participate in the competition, you must be a member of the Korakashki Facebook group. You will need to use special 8mm chatons that are made in Austria. These chatons are unique because they have not only an enormous range of colors, but also very original and special coatings that Oktabeads had specially made. Some of them you truly won't buy anywhere else except on their e-shop. If you wish to participate in the competition, you will purchase one or more, the quantity doesn't matter, of these chatons and use them in your jewelry or composition. An interesting detail is that some of the transparent chatons have a special coating, a special finish on the bottom, and one of the prizes will be awarded to a piece of jewelry that uses the chaton inverted, meaning with the point facing up. The other two prizes, as in the previous competition, will be selected based on your likes and also by an expert committee. There will be 3 so-called first places. You can use these chatons with any technique, whether it's embroidery or bead weaving, and you can also use them in settings. Settings can also be purchased on the Oktabeads website. Additionally, a specialized tool for embedding these chatons into the settings will soon be available on the website, so you can use them either way. We are announcing this competition as of this date. Feel free to start by shopping for your materials and then let your creativity flow. The announcement of this competition will be on November 22nd at Pracov, where we have a creative weekend, but your piece of jewelry doesn't have to be there in person. Take a high-quality photograph, add the Oktabeads company logo to it, and send it to my email by November 15. We will, of course, provide you with details on where, what, and by when to send it below this video. So whoever wants to participate in the competition for prizes from Oktabeads, boxes with materials for further creation, sign up or participate. Buy one of these beautiful colors of 8mm chatons and join us. We look forward to it.